Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this foldable button drain pad. So without further ado, let me just get my trusty knife over here. Don't cut the silicone, but the plastic. Alright, so this is, it drains, so water won't puddle in there, which is nice, right? Really nice material actually. There it is. This goes around the faucet, and then it's angled, so you cannot see that way, but it's angled so the water drains off of it. And then you can put like stuff in there if you want, like a sponge and things like that. So without further ado, I don't know if this is gonna work for my faucet because I have multiple holes, and this one only has one hole over here in the middle. But if you have just one faucet, that definitely works. I know that this is like you can lift this up as well, so it's very easy. But I really like this material, so it's really nice, good quality silicone. And there's a button over here in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. You button this together once you put it in your faucet. There you go. So then it stays in place. And it looks just like this. Let me show you. Just like that. So it looks like one piece, as you can tell. And when you need to clean it or something, you just unbutton. And you can just join the button again together. And it looks nice and neat. And I really like how there's this angle that goes down this way. Sorry, my mic over here got buried by the packaging. I really like how this angle goes down this way, so it drains the water. So I thought this is a really great, aid for the kitchen. And I think you guys are going to enjoy it. You're definitely going to enjoy the quality. If any water puddles over here, you can just go like this, and then it basically it drains. So I think that's what that's made for over here. So it's easy to drain in case there's any puddle over here, which it shouldn't be because it's all angled, like I said, in a certain way to dissipate water. Yeah, so it's very nice. It's silicone, it's calibrable, and I mean, not much to say about it, but and you can store it very easily as well because you fold it in half like that. Now you can store it if you're not going to use it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making for you guys, and take care.